Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we are doing January's finale for another year of the Makealongs 2026. So, uh, I am filming the intro and outro early here. To be honest, I do not know what is going to happen over the next 7 days and in what order they are going to happen. So, as I said in Thursday, the January 29th video, I literally 15 minutes ago found out that the plan that I had for how my next week was going to work out, uh, best laid plans and all that stuff. So I'm going to pre-film this now. We will insert pictures later, but the projects that have been entered so far are phenomenal. You guys are not going to believe it. Stay tuned for the pictures because we have knitting, we have crochet, we have amis, we have garments, we have some of everything. Oh, and we have a magnificent toddler blanket. I'm so excited. So this month's theme was UFOs and languishing WIPs. We were just going to get our spaces cleaned up, clean up our mental space and everything, and prepare ourselves for February, which is using the good yarn. So I pulled 3 projects for mine to focus on. One is the Dewdrops shawl by Woolenberry. I will leave a link down below for that. I started this shawl in 2024. This was part of my review of the Studio Fiber Bellwether Mystery Month Club. As we found out over the last couple of years, life be just lifing all over my life. And it's been very hard to keep up with the review series as expected because things in life and good, bad decisions made on my part as well. But I did not get the shawl finished. It is absolutely stunning. By the time you see this, I am hoping that I have a picture of it blocking, not where I am. As I am recording this, I am less than 20 rows from finishing the shawl. So I am very, very close to having the shawl done. It is so beautiful. I cannot wait. As I've said, I want to have this ready for Valentine's Day because even though we don't normally go out for Valentine's Day, the following Wednesday is Ash Wednesday, which means I will have an extra church day. So I can make myself extra girly to go to Ash Wednesday services. So the next project I worked on is my pickle jar scarf. This is a kit from the Aberdeen Wool Co. If you're one of my Canadian subscribers, I highly recommend ordering from them in general, but the Tangle Poets yarn are absolutely stunning. So this is an extra large pickle jar that is sold full of micro mini skeins. It comes with a pattern, a needle, and it's literally just a kit to be able to make a scarf. So for mine, I'm doing 3 rows alternating, and just as a yarn runs out, add a new one in to maintain the striping pattern. I am also doing this helically stripes, so none of my stripes have, there's a jogless, seamless look to this. It just randomly changes colors. They blend one into the next one. So while we do get this like secondary and tertiary striping pattern and grouping pattern, when you actually look at it up close, that pattern doesn't exist. So it's a really cool effect that I'm getting out of this. But I started this in 2021 and it's been just hanging out and I really want to get it done. I do know it's definitely not done as of filming. I still have like 6 balls to add into it, but I haven't pulled out from my second set what I'm going to do for the hat. And I haven't decided if I want to add the leftovers into the scarf yet or not. So there's no way this is going to be done by the time you're seeing this. You're just seeing a progress picture of how far I got. But there's a lot of things still in question about this project, which has made it a little bit slower for me to want to work on it, in the inner. So as it will be finished, the finished length, it's perfect for like an infinity scarf, which is also very nice for me to wear here. It is generally not as cold as it has been. So as of filming this, our high is 40. When I went out for my doctor's appointment this morning, it was 15. And that's not normal for us. It's very, very cold. And I think by the time you're seeing this, it will probably be like a high of 20 this day. So, ta-da! We're having a winter finally. 80 degrees for Christmas, but 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, here we are, and it's frozen. The final project that I've been working on as part of Project UFO is done. That's why I was like, wait a minute, I haven't been touching anything else. It's done. It's from 2025. That is my prairie shawl. In October, for the year of the make-alongs, we were going into our deep stash. So I pulled out this Alpaca Love, which was a collaboration between Debbie Stoller, who's the author of the Stitch Nation books, and Red Heart Yarns. So this was one of the lines from that collection, and it's been in my stash for many, 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 many years. So I'm pretty sure this has been in my stash longer than my oldest granddaughter's been alive. So that's quite a long time. She is now a teenager, turning teenager. Not too happy with how old my grandkids are getting. I was not quite prepared for how old I'd feel as they started getting older and meeting milestones. They are meeting milestones beautifully, but then also thinking how long this yarn's been in my stash was also kind of, but I've been working on stuff that's been in my stash since 2010. So that too. So anyway, Prairie Shawl is a free pattern from Premier. I will leave a link in the description box down below, but I did get this one done. And I got this one done earlier in the month, so I do know that it's done. So I'm very, very sorry. As I said on Thursday's video, I was not anticipating filming these now, so I am a little brain befuddled. So bear with me. We're doing our best. Anyway, that is what I got work on. Hopefully got done, at least 2 out of the 3 of those. And I'm very pleased with what I've done so far. I've made a ton of progress, and I've worked steadily chomping away at these. I am very excited. I do have a couple things that I'm going to be picking up over the month of February, and I'm very excited to be working on those as well. So, but these, especially the Dewdrop Shawl, these have taken a lot of thought. This wasn't, you know, a whole bunch of stockinette, like, you know, trying to finish the sweater last year. For me, it was the sleeves, and I just, you know, was stuck in I have to the try it on loop to make sure I'm getting them right, because I'm doing different things. I wanted a different shape, so I have to try it on. And then it's just endless rows of stockinette. So that's not how these were. These actually took thought, and it involved me sitting down and really focusing on what I was doing. So anyway, I want you to see what you guys worked on, because you guys have just, it's phenomenal. You guys won't believe what you guys have worked on. I know you think you've seen the pictures, but you have not been looking at the pictures. So here we go. All right, you guys. So once again, you knocked it out of the park. You got the assignment. You made the assignment yours. You told the assignment who was boss. And you guys did a phenomenal job. So thank you so much for once again making another month of make-alongs just a fun time. You really are a fantastic community. And I hope you know how grateful I am to have you in my life and in my world. This entire process has been so much fun for me, and I do enjoy seeing your projects so much and being able to compile them into videos like this to share with you guys, back to you guys, and show you guys what it is that you are actually doing. It's a phenomenal experience. It's one of the best parts I found of being a content creator is being able to share what you guys are working on too. So anyway, I don't want to get maudlin. I need to get rolling. So I love you guys. I hope that you are having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I look forward to seeing you real soon. I hope you will come and play along in February's Make Along. Bye, guys.